Welcome to market session tonight. So sorry for the delay. Was having a little issue with the camera. So without taking any further time, let's get into the. Please confirm you can see my screen clearly and then you can hear me clearly. Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for confirming that. So let's get into the market. So much time has been taken already tonight. So we have just a limited time to look at the different asset classes and pair. So let's get started with Euro JPY. If you have any pair you would want me to look at tonight, please drop it in the message in the comment box while we look at Euro JPY. So it's going to be a new week, and then to all the ladies out there, to all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day today. And then to all of our Muslim brothers and sisters, happy celebration. So tonight, this is Euro JPY. And then we can see we've been on this journey for a while. We can see that the market, is not going to break this thing anytime soon, despite all of the issues that happened there. So, what are we doing? Are we bullish? Are we bearish? Obviously, it's a bullish market. As you can see, the last few days have been bullish. There's a low, there's a high, there's a higher low, there's a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is our last range. So let's zoom in into our last range. Getting into our last range, let's go to 4 hours. This is our last range. Let me remove all of this and mark just our last range. This is our last range in the market. Okay, please confirm you can still see my screen. So this is our last range in the market. So apparently my screen is no longer showing. What's always happening? Why is the screen not showing? But it's showing here. I can see that my screen is showing. Okay, thank you. So now it's showing. So this is our last range. So this is our last range. This is what the easiest thing to see now is market is rallying up, but that's not even okay. So the two scenarios possible here, uh, we are bullish until market take out this low. Until market takes out this particular low, we are bullish. Of course, if market even take this, we might start considering a sell, but the confirmation of a change of character will most likely happen here. So what is likely to possibly happen here? Since we found our range, let's go to 1 hour. So the last 1 hour range is here. The last 1 hour range is here. So since we are bullish, we are currently looking for a buy. And the best place to look for a buy would be in a discount area. So let's quickly pull our fib and then measure this. So we are saying by fib, we are looking for a buy around here. Can you see my cursor? I'm looking for a buy around here. So into 15 minutes. Now, if I'm going to take trade tomorrow, this is exactly what I'll be doing. So why not tonight? So um, so for us to take a a very safe buy, market need to retrace into this particular place. There is something here. A market has even tapped into that. So let's just wait for what markets could do for tomorrow. But let me go back to 1 hour. But I know the market would most likely come lower. It might even come all the way to retest this low before going higher. But we know that we are looking for we are looking for a buy because primarily market is in the buying region, and then we've marked our range. So this is what I'm looking at for tomorrow. So let's look at what is possible for the week because what I'm actually talking about can get taken out tomorrow. So let's pull up our let's go back to 4 hours. So look at what happened here. So market went all the way from here, into this place, and then came all the way down, tap into the this place, and then you know we tap into the same place before going higher, attracted by this big fair value gap. You can see market closed the fair value gap, and then came all the way down again, closed this big fair value gap. Can you see how those institutional levels, you know, constantly attract price? If you are going to play with anything on your chart, please don't play with fair value gaps. Do take your time and then you check through chart on any time frame, so to say. You will see how all of these things, attract how they attract, prices. So there's something else I would even want to quickly show you. Let me go to let me quickly go to a minute, please. Let me quickly go to this guy's page. Solomon King. It's one of the guys that so much appreciates his work. Uh, he constantly pours his heart out, in teaching new and existing traders on how to understand and how to implement a whole lot of these things I'm talking about here. I'm looking for a particular video. Just give me a few minutes. I want to point you to. If you are new to trading, I recommend this whole full list. You are saying it's too much. I'm not new to trading, but I finished this particular.
In your first language.
So I finished this list last year, towards the end of last year. At least you can see. You can see all the red lines. Shows that you can only have all of these red lines. You can only have all of these red lines when you've watched the video, right? I'm sure you are familiar with YouTube. So let me get to where I'm going. Oh, what's the name of this video? Hey, Harish. Sorry, I would get it. Of course, there's a lot of repetition videos that repeated same that taught the same thing, so you can skip those ones. But if you are new to trading, I mean, it will be a very good addition to you. Hooray, PDRA. So, this particular video, this is the short form of this. So, PDRA. So, I mean, take your time and watch these two videos or any of the ones. If you want a full one, go for the 20 minutes one. If you want a summary, you go for the 9 minutes one. So, that said, let's go back. So, we can see our markets came to close this way value gap and then we tested it and give us went higher. So what we are looking at now is market need to gather enough momentum, and I won't even be surprised if market comes to retest this low, not even this low, before giving us this high. So we just, like I constantly say, we don't predict the market. We look at the possible scenarios, we position ourselves, and once market play out, we take our trade and secure our profits. Basically, it's that simple. So that said concerning Euro JPY, before I continue, I forgot to check Forex Factory. So let's look at the lineup of news for this Friday. There's a there will be news, then there will be NFP news. So my screen has stopped sharing again. Okay, so please confirm you can see my screen now. Okay, so this is the news lineup for the week, and then like I said earlier, you can see there's a huge one coming for CAD and USD on Friday. There's another one. There's a high impact news coming. Let me start from Monday. Tomorrow is Monday. There's a CNY news for 1:30 Monday, and then Euro all day. Wow. So we have all day news for Euro tomorrow. So that might be the momentum that would push our Euro JPY. But just be safe out there. So on Tuesday we have high impact news for odd on and then for USD as well. On Wednesday we have high impact news for USD by 12:15, and then on Thursday we have CHF, high impact news for CHF, 6:30 a.m., and on Friday CAD and USD. So stay close to that, and then trade with that information on your left hand. So let's continue. Let's get into DXY before we consider gold and BTC. DXY. So DXY, the dollar index. So the last 2 days before market closed, Thursday and Friday, the market sold a bit, but before then, market was bullish after creating a double bottom here. So what are we looking at? We are looking at a bullish dollar, which means a bearish other assets. It's simple. So the question is, the last 2 days were bullish and were bearish. Isn't that a thing to consider? Yes, it is a thing to consider, but then it is still going to be bullish until we take out the last low. That's how we look at it. And then if was a pair to trade, it is currently sitting in a good point for it to turn to the other side. There's a breaker block here, but let's not even get into all of that. So the simplicity of it is the fact that we are still bullish on the dollar, which is not going to be for a long time. Yes, fundamentally speaking, Trump has promised a weaker dollar. So you can read more about what is the implication and what is the use of a weaker dollar. So we are going to continue the bearish movement. So this bullish movement is most likely going towards this area. But for now, we are bullish, and then we are looking to see a bearish gold. So let's get to, now that we know we are bullish on the DXY, let's go to gold. What are we likely to see in gold this week? XAU USD. So since we are expecting the dollar to be bullish, so we are also going to see a bearish gold. But my concern is this gold is looking so strong that it's almost hard to predict a bearish one. But like I said, we don't predict the market. We only do what? We look at the possible scenarios, and then we just, play by it, look at the scenarios, and then find a way to make money out of it. So, gold all-time high gold keep pushing higher, the all-time high. Can you see? Gold has been very bullish this month. This month, is a very serious, one of the most bullish. Can you see? Full candle, one of the most bullish months for gold. One of the most bullish months for gold. So it won't be out of place if you retrace a little bit just to create a closing candle, a wick at the top. But then we are not going to. That is not solid in any way. So we look at what market is going to do. We wait for it. We find our triggers, and we maximize what comes after. So that's it. Let's get into BTC. Bitcoin has been on a dangerous ranging for the past few weeks. So personally, I've intentionally stayed out of trading Bitcoin for a while now because there are safer pairs for me to trade and record good profit. So and then till now, okay, let's look at it. So Bitcoin has been bearish and is still bearish. So if you are looking to trade at all, I will most likely be looking for a sell opportunity, but make sure you confirm that opportunity because um, it's been very volatile of late, very volatile of late, you know, very volatile of late. But recently, it really went trending. It trended for a while. This is a good one. If you wanted to trade it, if you wanted to trade it, it's a good one. But then just take your time and make sure you have good confirmation. So for us to see a good sell, a good sell on BTC or a good opportunity to sell, I will most likely see a quick buy to the 86,000 region or 85,000 region. If we can see a quick buy there, a quick buy to that point, it will be a good one to sell if market gives us an opportunity. So at best, this is what is currently happening. At least the current candle at best will create a double bottom and then when go a little bit above this place. So like just stay safe and then make sure that you maximize uh, all the opportunity in the market. Take your time. Make sure you confirm all your entries before you enter any trade this week. Secure your profits and then do have a profitable week. Thank you so much for joining tonight. So sorry for the little issue with the camera and the connection. So good to have you and then do have a profitable week ahead. For tomorrow, I'll also be live the same time. On Peaceful Investing with Peter Akinola, looking at different assets and opportunity for investment in the month of April. So thank you so much for joining tonight. See you tomorrow and do have a profitable week ahead.